So now that you have a domain name and a web hosting account, you can connect the two. So that's what this video is all about, is how to connect your domain name and your web hosting company so that when somebody goes to your domain name, they see the files that you upload to your web hosting account. Now, after this is said and done, you do not have to do this again. But if you understand this process, you can always switch web hosting companies if you are not happy with the company, or if you need to set up a website again, you know how to do this. And it's actually very, very easy to do. So whenever you create a web hosting account, they are going to send you an email containing what we call name servers. And typically with shared web hosting companies, they will give you these name servers. And all you have to do is go to your domain name and enter these in. Now, some web hosting companies are different. Sometimes they'll have 2, sometimes they'll have 4, but it's the same thing. And you'll see in just a minute. And sometimes web hosting companies may have different layouts and different setups, but the beauty of it all is they will tell you exactly what you need to do. So once you understand it first, it'll make more sense as you begin to connect more websites. So in this example, I'm going to go to Namecheap.com and we're going to set things up. Now, if you are using GoDaddy, perfectly fine. You'll need to do the exact same thing in locating the domain name, and typically they'll have information on how to set things up. But for all domain registrars, what you need to do is locate the domain name and then find where you are allowed to enter the DNS or name servers. So in this case at Namecheap.com, I've already purchased the domain. And what I need to do is I need to go under my account and go to the domain list and then locate that particular domain name. Now, once I've located the domain name and I click on manage, right off the bat, we can see name servers. So same with GoDaddy. If you click on the domain name, it'll say name servers or DNS. And you need to make sure that it is set as custom because we're not using Namecheap's web hosting. So custom allows us to connect to other web hosting companies. Now, as you can see here, I can enter 2. So what I need to do is simply take the web hosting company, and they gave us, for example, NS1, some sort of domain name.com, and all you have to do is simply enter that into here. So you enter that here, and then typically it'll have like NS2, and then if you need to add more, you can add more. So some web hosting companies, they will have 4, and you'll just need to enter 1, 2, 3, 4, what they give you into here. And what that does is it creates a bridge, and it connects the domain name on this end to your web hosting account. And typically that will take anywhere from a few hours to up to 72 hours. Now, if you have problems, contact Namecheap or contact your web hosting company. They will gladly walk you through the process. And once you're done, you have connected the two, and you are now able to upload files to your web hosting company.